In this video, let's explore how to reverse an array in place step by step. We will cover the problem solving approach, go through the logic step by step, and explore the code solution. Before we dive into the code, let's first understand the problem clearly and then break it down step by step. So we need to reverse an array in place, which means we cannot use any extra memory to store the reverse array. We need to swap the elements within the same array itself. Let's build logic with the help of one example. Let's say we have an array of length 6 containing values say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After reversing the array, our array output should be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. To solve this problem, we'll use two pointer technique. We will initialize one pointer at the start of the array, let's call it as start, and other pointer at the end of the array, let's call it as end. So start is 0 to begin with and end is len minus 1. To reverse the array, we need to swap values at the position start and end. So let's swap 1 with 6. So this will become 6 and this will become 1. So we are swapping array of start with AR of end. Now let's increment start by 1. So start will point here and decrement end by 1. So end will point here. So start plus plus end minus minus. Again swap the elements. So this will become 5 and this will become 2. Again increment start by 1 and decrement end by 1 and swap the elements. So this will become 4, this will become 3. We need to continue this procedure until we hit the middle of the array. At that point, start will be greater than end. So we need to repeat this procedure until while start is less than end. Now let's write code for our logic. Here I have already declared an array containing 10 elements. Instead of hard coding length of the array, we can calculate length like this. So length of the array is nothing but size of total array divided by size of one element. Here I have already implemented a print array function which basically iterates through the array and print all the elements of the array. Now let's implement our reverse array function. It accepts array pointer and then length of the array. Let's declare two variables, int start which points to the 0th element of the array, int end which points to the last element of the array to begin with. As we discussed earlier, we need to swap values at the position start and end. So let's use one temp variable in temp which will help us in swapping the values. So temp equal to array of start, array of start equals to array of end, array of end equals to temp. This should swap values at array of start and end indices. Increment start by 1 and decrement end by 1. And we need to repeat this procedure until while start is less than end. Now let's call this function from our main function. Pass array and len as an argument. Let's compile this code. Now let's run it. Here, as you can see, this is the original array and the array after reverse. Before we wrap up, here are three edge cases for you to try. Number one, empty array. Number two, array with one element. And number three, odd size array. Give it a try and provide your answers in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such learning tutorials. Thank you.